Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 multiplied by 5. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you have not subscribed my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more interesting and amazing videos. Okay, so in this expression 2 division and 1 multiplication is present. So we should all know, according to PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, division and subtraction. In PEMDAS, division and multiplication have equal priority and we have to from left to right. Okay, so here I can solve firstly division. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1 divided by 5 multiply by 5. Okay student, so 1 divided by 5 I can write here according to KCF 1 divided by 5 multiply by 5. Okay student, so 5 and 5 cancel with each other and the final answer of this expression is equal to 1. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your comment and kindly subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks a lot.